Adam and Eve. Imagine the earth when it was new, before the plants had come up. In those days, God hadn't yet allowed it to rain on the earth, but caused a mist to come each day to water the land. During this time, God took some soil and shaped the first man. He breathed into his nostrils, and Adam was alive. God planted a garden in a place called Eden. It had every kind of tree, and there was a river that flowed out from the garden. In the middle, there were two special trees. One was called the Tree of Life, and the other was called the Tree of Knowledge of Good and Evil. God told Adam to take care of the garden. He said, "You may eat from every tree except the one in the middle, the tree of knowledge of good and evil. You're not to eat from that tree. If you eat from it, you will die." God said, "It's not good that man is alone. I'll make a helper that's just right for him." He then brought all the animals to Adam and told him to name them. So Adam named all the animals, and whatever he named them, that was their name. As he was naming them, he noticed that all the animals came in pairs, male and female. Yet, as he looked around, he noticed that there wasn't a female for him. God caused a deep sleep to come down over Adam, and he slept deep and long. Then God opened up the flesh in Adam's side and took a rib. Carefully, he closed up the flesh. From that rib, God made a woman. When Adam awoke, God brought the woman to him. Adam said, "This is bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh. She'll be called woman, because she was taken out of man. This is the reason why a man leaves his parents and forms a relationship with his wife, and they become one flesh." Adam named his wife Eve because she would become the mother of all people.